Hi! All bolts seize up eventually, and here are some that I stripped because I couldn't do them. I'm Chris from DIY, and these fill heads are a pain in the ass. However I tried, I couldn't provide enough force to turn it and keep the driver from eating up the head. So let me show you an impact screwdriver that can unbolt everything I can, and it costs us a decent pair of pliers. The impact part means that you need to hit it with a hammer. The screwdriver rotates each time you hit it, so it actually rotates and pushes down at the same time, and it's impossible to strip the head. You should use it with a tip that's as snug as possible to the grooves on your bolt head, and then smack the crap out of it. One or a few punches later, and it's done! It might seem scary to swing as a maniac with your hand so close to the impact point, but if you hold your hammer at the bottom of the handle and try to swing it from your elbow instead of your entire arm, you'll be quite accurate. It also helps if you don't swing with full throttle, just save some power for aiming. I paid a grand total of $15 for this kit, and it's worth much more because I don't have to jerk around with these bolts anymore. So thanks a lot for watching, hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.